morning, everybody, and thanks for watching Coffee with CREN. Today we're going to talk about the addition to the market monitor. You'll notice over in the top right-hand corner in your market monitor, you'll see a new category there, open house and tours. So this is going to be showing you now the open house and tours in the MLS. One thing to note, in the bottom left-hand corner, your little days, if that is set to 1 day, it's going to be looking 1 day forward for those open houses and tours. If you set it to, say 30 days, it's going to look for open houses and tours for the next 30 days. So you're going to be able to pick the days that you want, go ahead and select either open house or tours, and it's going to show you the list of open house and tours according to how many days forward you selected. And that's it. Thanks for watching Coffee with CREN. We'll see you next week.